Hi, second grade. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're all staying safe. I have my friend Maisie with us today to help us out as we are reviewing line plots and bar graphs. So as the weather starts to get a lot nicer, one of Mr. Moore's favorite things to get and do is to go get ice cream. And I love getting chocolate milkshakes at places. So we're going to pretend that Mr. Moore owns his own ice cream parlor, and for our line plot, we're going to pretend that I have to keep track of how many milkshakes are ordered on Tuesday through Saturday. So I made a line plot of how many milkshakes were ordered on each day. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we are going to want to tally or get a total of how many milkshakes were ordered on those days. So the first thing we're going to look at is Tuesday. Remember, every one of those X's stands for one milkshake. So on Tuesday there was 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 total milkshakes ordered on Tuesday. On Wednesday we have 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 milkshakes ordered on Wednesday. Thursday, again, there's 4. On Friday we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. And then Saturday I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I know the totals of every single day. So then we can go ahead and make our bar graph. So I'm going to start down here with Tuesday. So remember, we got to look. Tuesday there was 4 milkshakes ordered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go start at 4 up here. I always like to do kind of the outline of what I'm coloring in. So for Tuesday there was 4 milkshakes ordered, and I'm going to color that in. So next one, Wednesday, there was only 3 ordered. So Wednesday, this one might be a little bit harder to see since it's in yellow. Oh, I'm sorry. There's only 3. Thursday, that was 4. So it's going to be the same as Tuesday. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make my outline. I'm going to color it in. Now on Friday, I had 7. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to go all the way over to my Friday, and I'm going to shade up there. And then Saturday, I had 6. Go to 6. Go all the way over to Saturday. Make my outline. And shade it. So now we have our bar graph all put together for the milkshakes ordered for each day. Now we can go ahead and start answering some of the questions that are asked. So the first question says, which day sold the most milkshakes? So let's look up. We can either look up here or we can look at our bar graph. So I'm going to look at my bar graph. So it says which day sold the most amount of milkshakes. I'm going to look to see which one's the highest. Well, our pink one is the highest, and that's Friday. So Friday we sold the most milkshakes. And then number 2, how many milkshakes were ordered on Thursday? So let's go to Thursday. Well, Thursday it says we ordered 4 milkshakes. We can also look up here and say, well, we know that Thursday there was 4 milkshakes ordered. So 4 is our answer. Number 3 asks, which 2 days sold the same amount? So if we look over here at our bar graph, our green and our red are at the same length. So that means they sold the same amount. We can also look up here and see that Tuesday sold 4, Thursday sold 4. So we know that they sold the same amount. So it was Tuesday and Thursday. So then our last question asked, total amount of milkshakes sold. So total amount, the total amount in all, that means we're going to be doing addition or subtraction. We're going to be doing addition. So if we're doing the total amount, what we can do is we can start adding each one, 4 plus 3, then plus 4, plus 7, plus 6. Or kind of like how Mr. Moore's brain works, I like to make them even. So I know that 3 plus 7 equals 10. And I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So then I can add 10 plus 10 gives me 20, and I just need to add my 4. So 20 plus 4 equals 24. So I had a total of 24 milkshakes sold. From Tuesday to Saturday, I sold 24 milkshakes. So I went through this a little quickly, but I hope this was helpful. Remember, for each day, each one of these is counting how many for that day. So on Tuesday, we sold 1, 2, 3, 4 milkshakes. Remember, each X is going to just be 1. And then this information, then you can go ahead and start making your bar graph, and it will help you answer your questions. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.